Hey guys, we're back at CES again, and we're here at the Lenovo booth to check out the Legion Go S, the first officially licensed handheld with SteamOS since the Steam Deck. Let's dive in.
Here we have the Legion Go S. This is the newest addition to our Legion Go portfolio of devices.
Right.
So on the left you have Legion Go S powered by SteamOS. On the right you have Legion Go S, which is a Windows-based device.
Okay.
So on the left, the Legion Go S with Steam is the world's first officially licensed handheld with SteamOS. Legion Go S, the hardware on each system is essentially exactly the same, except for on the Steam version, you'll notice this Legion space icon actually is the Valve SteamOS button instead on the Nebula Violet CMF, which looks really dark in here, but in the right light it is a little bit purple.
Okay.
8-inch display, 120 hertz refresh rate, and it also has VRR, which is an improvement from Gen 1 that a lot of people are asking about. Right here we have a tiny little touchpad actually, which really helps navigating the Windows environment.
Okay.
It does have a vibration on it, but you can toggle that off if it's not your speed or your flavor. Again, fully Windows experience. You have a quick settings menu here, access to Legion space over here. On the bottom we have a micro SD card slot, 2 USB ports here on the top.
Are those Thunderbolt 4?
Yes.
Okay.
Yep.
So both are Thunderbolt 4?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
And then on the back, we also have these adjustable trigger switches. So right now they're in the bottom. You can see you have a longer press range. You slide this up to the top and lock it in. So now you have a shorter
trigger.
press.
Okay.
Yeah, which is more ideal for FPS games.
Right.
Huge air intake vents on the back. You can feel it. It's pretty cool to the touch coming in.
Yeah.
And then the air outtake is right here on the top, so it's away from your hands, which is really nice.
Okay, got headphone jack?
Yes,
Still
right
got a
here
headphone
under my
jack?
thumb.
Great.
Yep.
Cool.
If you guys want to touch it and feel it.
All right, and you got these front-facing speakers here.
Yep.
It's pretty light.
Yeah, that's really good
for the size. Yeah.
Legion Go Gen 1 was awesome with touchable controllers and larger screen size, but it was a lot to carry around in your backpack, right?
Right.
This is a lot slimmer, sleeker, really fits in your bag nicely, and it's true like game on the go device. So the Windows version, which is the white SKU, the launch SKU is available in select markets starting now. Other SKUs will hit market by May of 2025, and May of 2025 is the Steam availability as well.
And this is going to be sold through Best Buy
It will be.
as well. And these stocks, those sold separately. We just have those here.
Separately.
Okay.
Yep.
I see these glasses. Are these Lenovo as well?
Yeah, these are the Lenovo Legion glasses.
Oh, wow.
They connect right here via USB-C. So what you can do is plug this in, and then you put the glasses on. They're polarized on the front, and they have essentially like a secondary monitor out in front of you. And then the audio comes through via the bone conductor sound. So when you're wearing them, like you can hear it, but I can't hear what you're hearing next to you.
So privacy. Okay.
Yeah,
Awesome.
so it gives you a nice like big viewing screen in privacy. So in the Legion Go S, you can get 2 chips. One is the Z2 Go, which is our exclusive chip with AMD, or the Ryzen Z1 Extreme.
Okay, so no Z2 Extreme.
That will be in Legion Go 2, which is our prototype here right now.
Oh,
That will be available with Z2 and Z2 Extreme.
How much memory is it? 16 gigs of memory?
Legion Go S is up to 32.
Up to 32 in the storage size. And the memory configurations is up to 32, so 16.
16 gigabyte and 32 gigabyte.
And the storage options 512 and 1
and 1 terabyte.
Okay.
And what about pricing for everything? Like,
So starting price for Steam will be $499, and for the Windows it will be $599. Yeah.
And also at the booth, we got to check out the upcoming successor to the Legion Go 2.
So for the Legion Go 2, that we improve a lot of things from the version 1. Heard and have a lot of feedback from our customers. So we hear the customer feedback that the first one is this is OLED panel. So you could see a little bit. It's very the brightness, and also it's very beautiful here, and it's also touch. And the second one it will be the controllers. It still be a detachable controller as the one, so which will also have the FPS mode. Yeah, but you can see the pound we hold here, and the pound portion will be a little bit low. It's not that sharp as the one, so it is really more comfortable on the version 2. And you could touch a little bit. Yeah, it's very premium on the front.
Kind of like the soft type material.
Yeah, we use the silk coating here, so you will feel more comfortable while you're touching it, and it won't have fingerprint.
Okay.
This is like an 8-inch.
This is 8.8 inch.
8.8 inch. Okay.
And this one's Windows, no Steam on this one.
These are currently we don't have the plan,
Okay.
but yeah.
And this will also be compatible with the dock?
Exactly. So the dock, and also you see here we got a connector grip. So we connect the left and right controller.
Okay.
Yeah. So you will be more comfortable while we're using or playing here.
Yeah.
So you just because we have the kickstand as well as the second one, so you can just put it on the table and use the connector grip. That you will be more comfortable to play. Yeah, without the weight. And then we also improve. You can see here that we also have a fingerprint with the power button.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's a wrap on the Lenovo Legion Go S and the exciting new to come Legion Go 2 here at CES 2025. Stay tuned for more coverage as we explore the latest in tech.